Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of US dollar, Canadian dollar, USD CAD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So you can see that overall the trend of the market is towards the downside. So this is a downtrend market, and in a downtrend market like this, we know it very well that our strategy is simple. It's sell on rise. Means whenever market will go up, we will short the market. And we can see that in this case, whenever market was trying to go up here, market was facing selling pressure from above, and market started coming down or going down. Okay, so again market has gone up a little bit. Okay, price is struggling and market is also in the overbought zone. So do you think this is the right position to short the market? What is your opinion? Sell on rise, market is in downtrend. There is no point of looking for buying opportunities in this market, don't you think? Okay, yes, you're pretty correct. You're thinking right. Okay, but I would like to show you one thing. As you know, I am a big fan of multi-time frame analysis. I would like to show you one thing before telling you that you should short the market. If you have watched my videos, then you know it very well that I'm a fan of this weekly time frame, so that I get to know the bigger picture. Okay, and the bigger picture is telling us a story. We can see that right now market is standing at the support. Previous week market formed a red candle. Before that also market formed a red candle, and before that also whenever market was trying to go up, it was facing heavy selling pressure from above, and it was making shooting star kind of patterns. But this week market has formed somewhat a hammer kind of a pattern, which means that market went down, but it saw some buying pressure, or bulls came in and took the price upward. As a result, we got a hammer kind of pattern on the weekly chart, and higher time frames are very crucial. Okay, so if I zoom out the chart, you can see that market is right now standing at the support. Therefore market is not going down that easily, unlike previous times. And if you can see this, okay, this particular low was formed on the chart in the year 2017, and right now it is 2021. It was formed in the month of September, so it's been more than 3.5 years. So you may be thinking that it's been a long time, so is it still valid? Is the support still valid? Because it's been more than 3 years. So I would like to show you one thing here. If I zoom out the chart, you can see that in the year 2014, okay, market started going up, and just look at this up run. Okay, just look at this bullish pressure. Okay, where market was going up, from this particular point market started falling. Okay, and this happened in the year 2016. Market formed this high in the year 2016. After that, though market tried to go up again, but market failed every time. Market could not go to that high. Okay, but market again went to that particular high again in the year 2020, but market could not cross the level again. Market again failed to cross the level. You can see that market was going up. Just look at this candle. but market faced heavy price rejection from above. As a result, market failed to cross the resistance and market came down. And if you look at this gap, the duration is around 4 years. So this level, this resistance is valid after 4 years. Therefore, this level is also, this support level can be valid after 3.5 years. Therefore, there is not much movement in the price, okay, here. So if you ask me, you should short the market or not, I'll tell that you should not short the market. Okay, you should wait and watch how the price is doing. In case market crosses this level with good volume, okay, if you see that market has breached the level with good amount of volume, then wait for 3 to 4 hours and just observe the price. If you see that there is heavy selling pressure, okay, heavy selling pressure, volume is there, sellers are in full control, then you can short the market. That means that the support, the 3.5 years support is no longer valid. Okay, therefore you should wait and be careful. You should not short the market right away. Okay, because the resistance which was there in the year 2016 is still valid. Therefore the support can be valid as well. Therefore be careful and short the market only once market crosses this level. In case market goes up from here, you do not need to buy right away, because after this kind of a heavy selling pressure, the buying pressure may not be too much and you may get trapped. Therefore wait for 1 or 2 days and just try to observe the market, try to observe the chart and see how the price does. Okay, so this is it. Hopefully you have understood that you need to observe the chart, observe the market right now. Okay, only it crosses this level, then only you should short the market, otherwise. So this is it. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow again. Then bye bye, take care, bye bye.